What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in on another video. Today is Saturday. The weather's not so great outside. It is pouring down rain, so it's all nasty and stuff. So I figured today we would make a little video. So today we are going to be installing our, it's not a true K-tune, just a replica. It's a shifter plate. It ain't gotta be nothing fancy because it's just a 90 plate. We're gonna be mounting it right in place of the old shifter. So we got our plate right here, and we got our stock R6 Type S shifter for right now, and then I got shifter cables right over here. So we're gonna be running that for a little while, and we'll upgrade later on. I got other stuff that's main priorities of getting this swap in the car and getting it running. So we'll go ahead and get started on this. We'll pull these two 10mm out that we got right here. Go ahead and get them out of the way. Two of the holes existing should line up and be able to use those, and we should have to drill two more because I don't think these two, they're offset. Yeah, these two right here, these 10s, they're just a little bit wider than what these two are. As you can tell, they're not set right. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out and get this plate mounted. So you got a little tunnel right here that should go over this without any issues. So yeah, like I said, these two holes, see the threads in there from the existing bolt holes, and then of course these two don't line up with the holes like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and get those two right there mounted, and then we'll go ahead and we'll drill our two holes right there for our new hardware, which is right here. We got this. Go ahead and get this stuff out of the way. This is my K-tune conversion harness. We'll be dealing with that later. Also done a couple things. Got the window sills pulled out. As you can tell up here, I got a company coming since today's Saturday, a week from today, so next Saturday, they're coming to replace the windshield. I've already paid for it, it's already scheduled. So I pulled the weather strips up. Got this all carbon fiber wrapped, and it looks pretty good. Pretty stoked with it. Now that we got the plate set in place, I got these started by hand. So we're gonna go ahead and get this two bolts tightened down. Alright, so now that we got these two bolts set here in place, got them hand tight right now, we're gonna go ahead and snug them up. You don't want to get them too tight though, just in case you gotta maneuver the plate a little bit. So that should be good. Then we'll go ahead and get our drill bit. This is pretty centered, exactly how I want it. So I'll go ahead and get the drill bit, and we will run our holes into this place, and we will be using these two bolts. Hi. And we'll be running a nut on the back side, so it'll be like this, run the bolt through. Nut comes in from the bottom of the tunnel, and you'll tighten it up that way. These do use that, like that little Loctite style nut. So they shouldn't have any issues with vibrating and backing off. So we'll go ahead and get our drill bit real quick. You'll want to take a bolt with you and go over to wherever you got your drill bits and match up the size. You'll want just slightly bigger than the size bolt that you're using. So I'm gonna go over here and get mine real quick. So we'll go ahead and get our hole started. And just like that, you'll want to let the drill bit do its job. You don't want to overdo it. That's the best way of snapping drill bits. So don't put too much pressure on it. I mean, you can hold a small amount of pressure, but there's no sense in putting your whole body weight into it. Just let the drill bit do its job. I mean, it's designed to penetrate through metal if that's what style bit you got. So now we got our hole started. I'm gonna go ahead. Hi. You chilling in your Jeep? Go ahead and get them pulled up. Now, it will make a mess if you guys... Yeah, sit down. You're gonna fall. If you guys are running carpet and stuff, I recommend having a vacuum cleaner, like a shop vac or something, set to the side, because, I mean, you will make a little bit of a mess. When you're cutting metal, you're gonna have some metal shavings. So now we're gonna open up our hole a little bit more. to go get another size bit. Oh. Hello. Yeah. Perfect. All right. So now that we got our holes made, now if you're doing this by yourself, it's probably best to have somebody with you to do what I'm about to be doing. So I might have to go and grab me a fiance. Even though she's probably inside cleaning, so we'll go ahead and get this put back in place. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. I'll go ahead and get these two started back again. And then we'll take our other two. Slide them in place. And if you come underneath, oh, what, buddy? You can have it. And you come underneath the car, you can see. Focus, there we go. You can see that you got long enough threads to get. I'm gonna throw a washer on and then put that existing nut. So you're gonna only need the two for back here because you're using the existing threads from the original. There's a little, what, buddy? No. Thank you. You're using the existing threads from where that little rubber bushing is for your shift linkage and stuff for the D series and all that. Hello. Get up. You ain't got no shirt on. It's cold.
Shisha shoe.
Yeah, shisha shoe. I don't know what that means, but hell yeah, brother.
Shisha shoe.
Huh?
Shirt.
Yeah, shirt. That makes more sense. Oh, God. Yeah, your shirt's off. All right. So I'm gonna go get her, and I'll get her to hold the top up here, keep that from spinning, and I'll go ahead and I'll put the nut and washer and stuff on underneath, and then we can mount up our shifter. So just for y'all know, I'm sure some of y'all seen on social media, but we got everything assembled exactly how I want it. I got all of my Downstar hardware and stuff installed. What? Yeah. So everything's looking good. Got an intake gasket on. Everything's tightened down, and it's looking pretty good. I'm very, very happy with it. So all I gotta do is I think I'm gonna order some hardware for here. I might try to do black or just get some new hardware. I like to get something from Downstar. I'm trying to keep all my hardware Downstar related, and it's all worth it. It's coming out pretty good. Got this painted. I went ahead and done it in a anodized flake, nice purple. Got all my hardware for the valve cover. Valve cover gaskets right here. The only thing I'm waiting on right now is from Downstar. I got these top nuts that tighten down. Waiting on those to come in, and then also I got three bolts for my post mount coming from Downstar, and they'll be the anodized purple, just like the rest of the kit. So waiting on those to come in, and not so much for the hardware for the valve cover, but more so for the post mount, and then I'll be able to drop everything in here. So this is everything I've been working on. Front end slowly coming together. I still got to finish up the wiring on this side. I've been pretty lazy here lately. Haven't done that yet, but I did get all this, the headlight, new support and all that done. So yeah, I'm gonna go get her real quick and get these two bolts set up, get them tightened down, and go ahead and mount our shifter down to the plate, and then we will figure out where this bad boy's gonna go on the engine bay. Somewhere along the firewall, and this is where your shifter cables will be fed through. Broke?
Yeah.
It ain't broke. You're putting the wrong end in. But yeah, this will go somewhere on the firewall. I'm thinking maybe somewhere like this, but it's supposed to be more so sideways. I'll get it figured out. I'll figure out where I'm going to put it. I'm not exactly 100% sure yet. But we'll go get her real quick and get this tightened up so we can move forward to the next step. All right, big thanks to her. Now that we got the plate mounted in place, I went ahead and got one of these started. So put my vape down. So we'll go ahead and mount the shifter down. Now with the kit, even if it is just a cheap kit or like a no-name brand like this, it's not K-tuned. I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this, went ahead and ordered it, but they will all come with these little spacer washers, and they'll just fall into place right here on each corner. And then you'll have your last set of bolts. Come on now. There we go. And then the last one. We'll go ahead and tighten them down. we got those tightened down. Everything's in place. That ain't going nowhere. So, looks pretty good in there. Everything's pretty straight. I like it. So now, the next thing we're going to be tackling is where we're going to be mounting the plate for the firewall. I think where I'm going to cut in at is, it's going to be somewhere in this area. I found a place on the outside. I'm going to have to make sure it's exactly where I think it is on the inside. So we're going to be going through here, down this bottom portion, and we're going to feed our cables around this back mount. So I'm going to, yeah, so we're going to put it right there. What did I do with that plate? There it is. So it'll be something along the lines of, oh, that ain't gonna work because it's not even smooth. I was gonna do it like that. There's no one running there, but it ain't gonna work. Now, I can't put it somewhere like right here because that'd be too much of a bind. You don't want to have all these turns and stuff in your cables, because then they'll get bound up when you're changing gears. So we'll sit back and try to figure out exactly where I'm going to put this, because I don't want to decide where I'm going to mount it and then end up not liking it or it not work out in our favor. So I'm going to figure out exactly where I'm going to put it, make sure that's where I want it, because I don't want to have a bunch of holes and have a cutout, something like this, for the cables to run through, and then have this plate in place. And I want to do it right the first time. I want to have the exact place where I want it and not have to do it again. So I'll go ahead and figure that out, and then we'll get it cut out and get that little plate mounted. Now we got everything tightened down. Shifter wise, got this billet plate inserted, and we're gonna go ahead and see exactly where our cables are gonna sit, and we'll get everything put in place, and should be golden. So I gotta trim right here a little bit more, and then we'll feed the rest of these back through. And once we get them fed through, then we'll go ahead and put our pins and stuff in, and then slide the cotter pins in place for the cables, and should be set on the shifter part. Already got the cotter pins pulled off. There. Look, right here. Hold on, I almost got it. There you go.
Wheel. Down.
The wheel's right here.
Down?
Yeah.
Oh.
Drive it like you stole it, son.
Wheel.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Okay, well, Daddy's gonna get back to work. Alright.
But
I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Get that out of the way. See if I can do this one-handed. Alright, whatever. Alright, so we got it. Let's pull it back.
down.
slide this into place. Just like so. And now, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be back like this. Yeah, just like that. Alright, get this slid in place. I'm gonna take this one, pull it into place. And we gotta get our washers. Oh, lock washers. I'll get those real quick. Let's see. It should be up here somewhere. Unless I moved one, which I think I did. Alright, I don't know what I've done with them.
Paul. Dada.
What, buddy?
Paul.
Yeah. I gotta put a bolt there.
No, mate.
Ah. I hate looking for stuff.
Dada.
Probably would have helped if
Dada.
I would have looked in the box that they came in.
Dada.
So,
Dada. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, buddy. So now that I got these,
Yeah.
you got these. Well, I guess they gave you an extra one. I'm not exactly sure. All right. So, got two of the same package. It looks like. So you got these. That'll be on this end where the transmission is. Got your card pins for down there.
Daddy.
Yeah, buddy. Keep steering. Take us to town. So I got the clips for here and new pins so we can toss these junky things.
Dada.
So we're gonna go ahead and open these up.
Dada.
Go ahead and get this
Dada.
clips installed.
Dada.
Alright, so that was a quick little time lapse of putting the grommet in place and getting the clips and stuff locked in.
Yo.
Got the new one locked in. It's in place, ready to go. Got that other piece that's twisted, locked in. So yeah, this came in the mail today. It got delivered. So just so y'all know, we ain't playing with this build. I'm bringing the heat. So I get to install that later on. Pretty excited. Got the stickers for each side. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to leave this the raw metal or if I should wrap it in carbon fiber like the roof. I should do it like that. They do already come. They have the option to be carbon fiber wrapped, but I figured I would get it raw like this just in case if I wanted to leave it raw, or if I wanted a carbon fiber wrap, then I would use the actual 5D wrap, because I mean that looks killer. So drop a comment below if you think I should wrap it same as the roof. I'll do it. I got just a little bit left over. I wrapped, got a new cup from Walmart. It's one of those cups that, hello. It's a cup that keeps your drink cold longer, or it keeps it hot longer. I wrapped it, so I got a couple sections, but it's not enough to do this. So, like I said, drop a comment below if you think I should wrap this the same as the roof, or if I should just leave it raw and rock it like that. Either way, I think it'll look good. I may end up just doing it carbon fiber. Just go ahead and finish the rest out like that. So we got shift box in place, all the new pins in, everything's working like it should. So we're just one step closer. Got all that installed, and before I close this video out, I'm gonna go ahead and add the final touch. Man, I'm so anxious. I've been waiting to throw this thing on. The limited edition, number 7, S1 built all-wheel drive shift knob. Now I have to put the little lock nut at the bottom, but just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like. I will be upgrading. Like I said, this is just a meantime thing. So I will be pulling this out, and more than likely down the road, I'll be going with the K-Tune shift box, because I mean it's all gonna flow well with the raw aluminum look. So we're gonna do that. Yeah.
Danny.
What you think?
Danny.
Thank you.
Danny.
No, that's what you thought about it. Do you like it? Does it feel good?
Yeah.
It does? Good deal. Well, he approves, so there it is. Hey, hit that 2-step.
Right?
2-step, go. Hop, 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 hop.
Papa.
Yeah, you gotta be louder than that.
Yeah.
Do it louder.
No.
Yeah, turn the boost up.
That's my dog. My dog.
This is your car?
Yeah.
Then what am I gonna drive?
Mom.
You don't know.
Mom. Lion.
Are we gonna take turns driving this?
Yeah.
Are you gonna be driving it more than me?
Mom. Shy.
Oh, so mine's outside.
Yeah.
Oh, so I get the BRZ and you get this.
Shy.
That's not fair. You're gonna be a lot faster.
Yeah. Far.
All right.
Far.
Tell them bye. Hey, tell them bye.
Bye.
Say like,
What?
comment,
Nene.
and subscribe.
Da.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're out. Peace.